So, time's up. Ayan. Sige po. Okay, last one. Alright, so time's up na po para po magpaalam si Grimace Birthday and si Humber Clara. Okay, say bye-bye, Grimace!